So now question number 6. There is an umbrella which is made up of 10 pieces of cloth. Now I have not written the questions over here, but I have written the important information. The important information consists that there are two type of cloth, that means of two colors, and totally there are 10 pieces of cloth, right? Now this is the front view, right? This is the front view in which only 5 pieces are shown, and on the back side view another 5 will be there. So you can see that they are in the shape of triangles. For both the colors we will have the same area, but area of one piece we will find and then we will multiply by 5. Here we will use Heron's formula. First we will find one piece and then we will multiply it by 5. Clear? So let us start with finding the semi perimeter, that is a plus b plus c by 2. It is 20 plus 50 plus 50 upon 2, and that is nothing but 120 upon 2, which is 60 centimeter, right? So we got 60 centimeter as semi perimeter. Now area of one triangular piece equals to s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So here we will do the simplification. 60 into 60 minus 20 into 60 minus 50 into 60 minus 50. Clear? So simplifying them, we will get 60 into 60 minus 20 is 40, 60 minus 50 is 10, and 60 minus 50 is 10. 10 and 10 are repeated 2 times. 40, how can I split? I can split 6 into 10 as 60, 4 into 10 as 40, and 10 into 10 is already there, right? So 10 and 10 repeated 1 time, so I am writing outside. 10 and 10 another pair, I am writing 10 outside. 4 goes outside, becomes 2. We only have this 6 inside. So 100 into 2, 200 root 6 centimeter square. Remember, this is the area of only one piece. Okay, so next you will write there are 5 pieces of each color. So area of each colored pieces, we may include the word total over here, right? So that will be 5 into 200 root 6, that will be 1000 root 6 centimeter square. So our 7th question is a kite in the shape of a square with a diagonal 32 centimeter and an isosceles triangle of base 8, sides 6 centimeter each, is to be made of 3 different shades. So based on the figure and based on the question, I have drawn a figure of kite. Here you can see the square part, right? And below there is a small triangle whose measures are given 6, 6 and 8. Isosceles triangle, so this side and this side will have the same measure, 6, 6 and 8. Now the only information given is information about the diagonal. So that is this one and this one, 32 centimeter. So we have given the names, right? P, Q, S, R will be the name of the square part and S, T, U will be the name of the triangular part. In between diagonals are intersecting, we are naming it as M. Clear? So it is very easy question. You may see that area of part 1 will be equal to area of part 2. So we need to find out only one area. Let us take the first part. Okay, I am drawing it separately. You see, alright. So this is P, this is Q, and this is R. this might be considered as the height, the half of this diagonal, where it is PM, right? So here we know about PM, which is half of PS, that will be half of 32, and that will be 16. So this measurement is 16, PM is 16, and here it will be totally 32 centimeter, which is given. QR is 32 centimeter. Clear? So now applying common sense, what is the area of triangle PQR? You know the area of triangle, that is half base into height. So that is half base was 32 and height was 16. So 2 16s are 32 and 16 are 256 centimeter square. Okay, so we got the area of part 1. You will write similarly area of the other part, that is triangle QSR, or area of part 2 will also be equal to 256 centimeter square. Now the remaining part is area of the third part, that is triangle STU. So for that we need to find out the semi-perimeter. Okay, so S equals to A plus B plus C by 2, that is 6 plus 6 plus 8 by 2. 6 plus 6 becomes 12, and 12 plus 8 is 20. So 20 by 2, that is 10 centimeter is the semi-perimeter. Now going for the area part, according to Heron's formula, the area will be S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Putting all the values, we will get 10, 10 minus 6, 10 minus 6, and 10 minus 8. That will become, on simplification, 10 into 4 into 4 into 2. Splitting them, so 2 into 5, 4 are in pair, so no need to disturb them, remaining repeated. Now those who are repeated 2 times, like 2 is repeated, so keep it outside, 4 is repeated, keep it outside, root 5 will remain. So finally 2 4s are 8 root 5 centimeter square will be the answer of the third one. Clear? So summarizing, area of part 1 is 256 centimeter square, area of part 2 again 256 centimeter square, and area of part 3 is 8 root 5 centimeter square. Remember, they haven't asked about total area, so no need to add. We are finding the areas separately. Now question number 8 says that a floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles. So how many tiles? 16 tiles. In the figure in textbook they have shown 16 tiles. One of the designs I have drawn over here, you see, right? So 2 tiles I have drawn, but you can see each tile is having the same measurement. So the measurements of one tile, that is in the form of triangle, is 28 centimeter, 9 centimeter, and 35 centimeter. So basically we have a triangle whose measurement is 28, 9, and 35. Now total 16 tiles are there. So by Heron's formula we will use the Heron's formula to find out the area of one of the tiles, and then we will multiply it with 16. Then they haven't asked about the area, they have asked the cost of polishing, right? And for that they have given the rate 50 paise per centimeter square. So first we will have to find out Heron's formula. We will find the area of one tile multiplying by 16 and then find the cost. Clear? Now let us go for the area of first triangle. So for area we need semi-perimeter, that is A plus B plus C by 2, 28, then 9, then 35 upon 2. So now if you add 28, 9 and 35, you will get 72, and 72 by 2 is 36 centimeter. Now applying Heron's formula, finding the area of one tile. So that will be S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Here, putting all the values, 36 into 36 minus 28, 36 minus 9 and 36 minus 35. Now do the simplification process. You will get 36 into 36 minus 28, so that will be 8, 36 minus 9, so that will be 27, and finally 1. Now let us split the necessary terms. 8 will be split into 4 2s are, 27 will be in 9 3s are, 1 will be repeated. So 36 will come out as 6, 4 will come out as 2, 9 will come out as 3, remaining 2, 3 will be inside, that is root 6. So 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36, root 6. Note that in question, even if it is not given, we will be taking 36 into root 6, the value of root 6 as 2.45. Okay, so this is the rough estimate of root 6. The answer of 36 into 2.45 is 88.2 centimeter square. Now this is the area of one tile. Okay, so same way we will find area of 16 tiles. That will be 88.2 into 16. It will be 1411.2 centimeter square. So overall design is having area this much. Now let us go for the cost. So cost of 1 centimeter square is 50 paise, or you can also write it as half rupees. Same way, cost of 1411.2 centimeter square, how much? So let us find that in rupees only. Okay, half rupees. So what we have to do, 1411.2 into 0.5, so that will be 705.6 rupees. Now question number 9 is a very different and important question. It says that a field is in the shape of trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 and 10 meters. So we have drawn a trapezium, we have shown 10 meter and 25 meter. They are parallel sides. Non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. So in the figure I have drawn the trapezium 10, 25, 14 and 13. Directly they have asked find the area. Now by no means we can apply Heron's formula over here to find out the area. We'll write this as hint. Area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides into height. Okay, now we have parallel sides as 10 and 25, but we don't have the height. So let us find out the height first of all. Drawing an exact parallel line from here. Now if it is parallel to 14 meter, will it be 14 meter only, right? Now you can see we have a triangle over here. Okay, now this triangle will have 14 meter, 13 meter. Can you find this one as well? Very easy it is. How? You see, if this side is 14 meter, this side was also 14. So if this is 10, this much will also be 10. I will show. This much will also be 10. So if whole figure is of 25 meter and this is a small part of 10 meter, what will be this part? So this part will be 25 minus 10, that is 15 meter. So now you see we have a triangle whose measures are already found. Now why we are so interested in this triangle? Because the area of this triangle, you see, the small triangle which is having the sides 14, 13 and 15. By Heron's formula we may get the area, but area's formula also includes half base into height. So you see, where is our hint? Over here, height. Okay, so that is why we are so interested in this triangle, because this triangle will give us the height of the trapezium, and that height can be used over here. Okay, so understand it very properly. Now let us go for the triangle's area. By Heron's formula we need to find out semi-perimeter. So A plus B plus C by 2. So here our A is 14, 13, 15 upon 2. Now if you add them all, you will get 42 by 2, and thus our semi-perimeter will be 21 meter. Going for the area, this will be S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So this will be 21 into 21 minus 14 into 21 minus 13 into 21 minus 15. Doing the simplification, you will get 21 minus 14 as 7, 21 minus 13 as 8, and 21 minus 15 as 6. Now making pairs, we can split them as 7 3s are, 7 will be repeated, here it is 4 2s are, and here 6 will be 3 2s are. Now let us take the pair outside. 7 outside, 3 will be also outside, 2 will be also outside, and 4 will also be outside. So ultimately we will get the answer as 7 3s are 21, 21 4s are 84 meter square. Okay. Now let us use this area of the triangle half base into height. So this 84 equals to half. Here base is 15 and height we are finding. So let us go for the h. 2 will go over here, 15 will go in the denominator. So ultimately h is 2 into 84 upon 15. You can cancel with the table of 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24. So ultimately h is 28 2s are. Now we won't be finding the decimal answer of it. We will let us keep the height as 56 by 5 meter. Why? Because still we have to find out the area of trapezium. In that, if possible, this can help in simplification. So finally, area of trapezium equals to half into sum of parallel sides. Here is 10 plus 25 into height is, now we got height 56 upon 5. So that is half into 35 into 56 upon 5. Now you see this 5 will be utilized in cancelling. 5 7s are 35. So ultimately it is half into 7 into 56. The final answer after the calculation will be 196 meter square.